Remove Microsoft account from Windows 11. It is very simple if you're not being able to remove Microsoft account from Windows 11. So a simple explanation is, you go to your settings, on the left hand side you go to account. When you go to account, you scroll down to email and account. Here you'll find different Microsoft account being used. You can expand that menu and click on the remove option to remove either of those accounts. But then there is that one Microsoft account where you're not seeing the remove option. Right now, if it's showing remove for you, perfectly fine, you can remove it, all the account will be removed. But if you're not seeing the remove option, it is because your Windows is using your Microsoft account to sign in. So when you go to account, we have to switch to a local account. So in my case, I've already switched to the local account as administrator. In your case, your Microsoft account is the administrator. That's why you're not being able to remove the Microsoft account. So we have to switch to a local account so we can remove the Microsoft account. And to do this, under this you'll find this option called Your Info. Go to Your Info. On the right hand side you'll find sign in with a local account instead. Now in my case, I'm seeing Microsoft account because I have already switched to a local account. But in your case, if Microsoft is your default account, you'll find sign in with a local account. Select that sign in with local account. After you've set up your new password with your local account and your local account is the admin, then you can come to account. Then you can go to email and account, and then just like magic, you'll be able to remove your Microsoft account, even the default ones that you weren't being able to remove before. So I hope that this video helped you pretty much. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.